You are not overwhelmed because you lack effort. You are overwhelmed because you lack leverage. There's a difference. Right now, most professionals are using AI like a helper, a smart intern. That's small thinking. AI is not here to help you type faster, it's here to reduce cognitive load. Every day, your brain is burning fuel on decisions: what to write, how to structure it, how to phrase it, what to prioritize, what to analyze. That friction is expensive, not financially, mentally, and mental bandwidth is your most valuable asset. Here's the leverage equation: clarity plus configuration equals multiplication. When your AI is properly configured, it already knows your voice, your standards, your constraints, your goals. You stop re-explaining yourself, you stop rewriting, you stop starting from zero. And output accelerates, not slightly, dramatically. Content creation speeds up. Strategic analysis becomes sharper. Decision frameworks become structured. Your thinking becomes amplified. That's leverage. One properly configured system executing across dozens of tasks. While you focus on high-level direction, most people will stay stuck in reactive mode: prompt, correct, rewrite, repeat. You're not doing that. You're installing an operating system, and when the system is built correctly, your productivity doesn't increase by 10%. It multiplies. That's the promise. Next, we build it.